Earning $5,000 per month from home sounds like a dream, right? But it's a reality for many people, and you can join them too. Whether you're looking for a full-time gig or a side hustle, there are numerous opportunities out there. One of the most popular ways to earn money from home is through freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to connect with clients who need your skills. From writing and graphic design to programming and virtual assistants, there's something for everyone. The key is to find your niche and market yourself effectively. Start by creating a compelling profile that showcases your expertise and past work. As you complete more jobs and get positive reviews, you'll start attracting higher-paying clients. Another great option is starting an online business. This could be anything from selling handmade crafts on Etsy to launching your own e-commerce store. Thanks to platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store is straightforward. You'll need to invest some time in creating or sourcing products, setting up your website, and marketing your store. Social media can be a powerful tool for driving traffic to your site, so don't underestimate its value. For those who have a knack for teaching, online tutoring can be highly profitable. Websites like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors allow you to teach students from around the world. If you prefer creating your own content, consider developing an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to create and sell courses on a variety of topics. Once your course is up and running, it can provide a steady stream of passive income. If you're tech-savvy, consider getting into affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you'll need a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence with a good number of followers. The key is to promote products that align with your audience's interests and needs. By providing honest reviews and useful content, you can build trust with your audience and increase your earnings. Content creation is another lucrative avenue. If you enjoy making videos, starting a YouTube channel can be highly rewarding. Once you gain a significant following, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Similarly, if you love writing, consider starting a blog. With the right strategies, blogs can generate income through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. Remote customer service jobs are also a solid option. Many companies are shifting to remote work, and there's a high demand for customer service representatives. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and American Express often hire remote workers. These positions typically require good communication skills and a reliable internet connection. Another interesting way to make money from home is by investing. While it requires some initial capital and a willingness to learn, investing in stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrency can be very profitable. There are plenty of online resources and courses to help you get started. Just remember to do thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial experts. For those who are more creatively inclined, consider starting a podcast. Podcasts are gaining popularity, and they can be monetized through sponsorships, listener donations, and merchandise sales. Choose a topic you're passionate about and start recording. Consistency and quality are key to growing your audience. Consider leveraging your social media following. Influencers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok can earn substantial incomes through brand partnerships and sponsored posts. If you have a large and engaged audience, brands will pay you to promote their products. Writing ebooks can be a fantastic side hustle. Many people are turning their passions, expertise, and creative ideas into profitable ebooks. The best part is that it's not as daunting as it might seem, and you don't need a publisher or a huge marketing budget to get started. All you need is an idea, a bit of discipline, and some strategic planning. First, let's talk about choosing a topic. This is crucial. Your topic should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, because your enthusiasm and expertise will shine through in your writing. Think about what people are looking for. What questions do they have? What problems do they need solutions for? Browse through online forums, social media groups, and bestseller lists on platforms like Amazon to get a sense of what's in demand. Once you have a topic, narrow it down to a specific niche. The more focused your book is, the better it will perform. Now, on to the writing process. Start by creating an outline. This will serve as your roadmap and keep you on track. Break your topic down into main sections and subsections, outlining what you'll cover in each. This not only makes the writing process easier but also ensures you cover all the important points without rambling. Next, set a realistic writing schedule. Since this is a side hustle, you might only have a few hours each day to dedicate to writing. That's okay. Consistency is key. Even if you can only write for 30 minutes a day, you'll make progress. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your milestones. Writing an ebook doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Join writing communities online where you can share your progress, get feedback, and stay motivated. Websites like Wattpad and Scribophile are great places to connect with other writers. Additionally, don't be afraid to seek feedback from friends, family, or colleagues who can provide constructive criticism. This can be incredibly valuable in refining your content and making it the best it can be. Once you've completed your manuscript, it's time for editing. This step is crucial and should not be rushed. You can choose to self-edit, but it's highly recommended to get a professional editor if you can afford one. They can catch errors you might have missed and help improve the overall flow and clarity of your writing. There are also many affordable freelance editors available on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. After editing, you need a compelling cover. Despite the saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," people often do. Your cover should be eye-catching and reflect the content of your book. You can design it yourself using tools like Canva if you're on a tight budget, or hire a professional designer for a more polished look. There are plenty of freelancers who specialize in ebook covers. Next, format your ebook for publishing. This can be done using various software tools available online. Ensure your book is properly formatted for different e-readers and devices. Websites like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Smashwords offer guidelines and tools to help with this process. It's important to get the formatting right to provide a smooth reading experience for your audience. Now, let's talk about publishing and marketing your ebook. Platforms like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, and Barnes & Noble make it easy to self-publish. They have a massive reach and handle most of the heavy lifting when it comes to distribution. Once your book is live, it's time to market it. Utilize social media to promote your book. Share insights, excerpts, and behind-the-scenes looks at your writing process to engage your audience. If you have a blog or website, use it to create buzz. Consider running ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Another effective marketing strategy is to offer your book for free or at a discount for a limited time. This can help generate reviews and increase visibility. Speaking of reviews, encourage your readers to leave honest reviews. Positive reviews can significantly impact your book's sales and credibility. Collaborate with other authors and influencers in your niche. Guest posting on blogs, appearing on podcasts, and participating in webinars can help you reach a broader audience. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. The more people talk about your book, the more exposure it gets. Track your sales and gather feedback. Use this data to improve your future projects. Maybe certain topics resonate more with your audience, or perhaps you need to adjust your marketing strategies. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to long-term success in the ebook business. Diversify your income streams by writing multiple ebooks. Once you have a few titles under your belt, you can bundle them together or create a series. This not only increases your earnings but also builds a loyal readership. To sum up, writing ebooks as a side hustle is a viable and potentially lucrative endeavor. It allows you to share your knowledge and creativity with the world while generating passive income. With dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort, you can turn your ebook writing into a successful venture. Start brainstorming ideas, set a writing schedule, and take the first step toward becoming a published author. Happy writing! In summary, there are countless ways to earn $5,000 per month from home. The best approach is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests, then put in the time and effort to make it successful. It may take some time to reach your financial goals, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve them. So, start exploring these opportunities and take the first step towards financial freedom today.